Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here, letting you know why you should join $25 1-Up. With our live online training team build, already a $25 1-Up member? Not a problem. You can still join our $25 1-Up team build and enjoy all the following team builder benefits you will not find anyplace else. So here's what you receive when you join our online training team build. A free YouTube marketing video like this one you're watching right now, but with your $25 1-Up affiliate link in the description of this video. You and our team will share your video throughout the internet. Plus, you'll have access to other branded marketing tools such as this Facebook group where you can post your video, making it go viral. A Facebook chat bot that will automatically invite those who message you on Facebook to join your $25 1-Up biz. You know who I'm talking about, those Facebook friends who try to sell you something in Messenger all the time. A free AdPack for your $25 1-Up and a powerful traffic platform. Access to the live online training room. Watch our team help build your $25 1-Up organization in real time. Yes, you can invite your prospects for training and motivation, and let our seasoned team build leaders train your new members. Also, the opportunity to win Bitcoin. Now, here are the benefits of the great Bitcoin giveaway contest. Register for free, earn entry points for doing simple tasks, several Bitcoin prizes to win, increase your odds of winning by visiting our live training room every day, finding new entry points. Also, check your emails every day for great Bitcoin giveaway bonuses. No investment required to get started. Follow the arrow to join $25 1-Up. Request your free AdPack. Gain access to the Facebook viral video marketing system. Locate, then use the Facebook Messenger chatbot to automatically share your affiliate link. Join the Bitcoin giveaway. Request your free YouTube marketing video. And join our live team build training room. One last thing before I go. Be a good team player. Please subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell, like and share this video. Okay, you know what to do. Myself and our team will be waiting for you in our live training room, ready to help build your business.